Welcome to my layout, Mountford Parkway. An out-of-town industrial and leisure park has been built on a former goods yard, and the track has been singled beyond the new station. Access is retained for the tarmac loading plant and a scrapyard, and at the rear there is a fabrication company, and as you will hear from hopefully from the sounds, there are a number of industrial processes going on, and I will shortly show you how I've achieved this. I will now remove the building and inside is this speaker and amplifier complete with blue flashing light, which is useful to depict welding operations. But the unique thing about this little device by Kaidaer, K-A-I-D-A-E-R, if you search on the internet, and they are available at an astonishing low price of £5.99 I think from China, or £8.99 in this country, is that it can either be used as an extension speaker for an MP3 player via the line in, or by using a micro SD card freely available for a few pounds, you can record sounds to it and either play them one after the other, or in this case I have clicked on repeat so that the sound continues. You also have a equalizer and a volume control, so I can turn the volume up and turn it down. So that simple device is what is giving me the sound of the fabrication shop. I hope you'll agree that it's very effective. Thank you for watching. Mountford Parkway has a two-way operational platform to allow staff to go to the industrial estate and for leisure activities, and beyond is singled and used primarily for freight. However, I'd like to show you now one additional feature that I've introduced by using a speaker and a PC with a number of separate files to provide platform messages.
Customers on platform 1, please stand clear of the platform edge. Two train approaching. Please stand clear of the platform edge.
Other station messages I have are unattended luggage.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended. Unattended luggage may be removed or destroyed by the security services.
A safety announcement.
This is a safety announcement. It is not permitted to cycle, skateboard or rollerblade within the station building.
And ticket checks.
Ticket checks are in operation at this station. Please have your tickets available for inspection.
The sound is via a small speaker, actually an MP3 extension speaker that also takes a micro SD card, and is just above the station to give the effect. I hope you found this interesting, and it adds new realism to the layout.